Matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Logan Malone. Okay, and we are going to go on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Logan Malone, 232249. And here, or I'm sorry, sir, your name for the record, please. I'm sorry, that didn't come through.
Logan Malone.
All right, thank you. And sir, you are in court today on criminal charges, and you understand that you have the right to have an attorney represent you at all critical stages of the criminal process, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And you also understand that if you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed to represent you at no cost.
Yeah, that's correct. I understand.
That's yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And, okay, and you want to waive your right to an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, do you know why you're at court today, or do you want the court to read the reasons why you're here?
We'll let the read.
All right, so the court will note that it has a complaint that alleges on October 17th of this year at the Rite Aid at on Biddle Avenue that you did commit retail fraud.
Who are you hearing?
And remove items from the store that you did not purchase. That's a misdemeanor charge. The maximum penalty upon conviction is not more than 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine or both. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty.
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yes.
I was just asking if you'd read me the charges. I wasn't saying guilty or not guilty yet. I want to take 110% ownership to what I did last night. And I just wanted to say like I'm guilty for that. Because I did go into that Reddit and take a Mountain Dew and then like a coffee and then some beef jerky. So I just want to apologize and own up to that.
Okay, and sir, I also wanted, I was not quite finished. I did tell you what your charges were in the maximum penalty. I was also trying to let you know that I was entering a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and we're going to set it for a pretrial date. And I also, sir, want to make sure that you understood the rights on your advice of rights document that you signed. Did you read and understand all of those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you also understand that you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say orally or in writing may be used against you. You understand all that?
Yes, Your Honor. And I just want to own up to, what I did, not waste anyone's time here and move forward with life.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm going to set this for pre-trial so you have an opportunity to speak to the prosecuting attorney. Or you can even, if you reconsider wanting an attorney, then you can also request an attorney at the pre-trial date, sir. And we're going to schedule this matter for pre-trial on October 24th at 10:30 a.m. And sir, do you live in Trenton? Is the address that we have for you, is that your current address?
That's where I used to reside. Yes, Your Honor. I was actually currently yesterday trying to get into a rehab. All this kind of stuff slowed me down into getting to that process. But I'm currently homeless.
You're currently homeless?
At this point in time, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And Does somebody still reside at that address or no?
Yeah, my grandparents.
Okay. And sir, if you were to test today, what's in your system?
What's that?
If you were to test today, what would be detected in your system?
Marijuana.
All right. And do you have a valid prescription for marijuana?
I do not know.
Okay. And you indicated that you were trying to get into rehab. And
Yes.
what type of rehab are you trying to get into, sir?
I was just trying to get some type of drug rehab. Because even though in my eyes I only smoked weed, it's still like a setback for me. I was, served on one sober and I failed. So I just wanted to get back on that right path. Just go into like some type of drug program, learn some new things about the body and mind.
Okay.
And try.
And I understand that you're homeless, sir. Do you work?
Up to 3 weeks ago, I was working. Then I just started smoking weed and just stay at my aunt's house and not doing nothing.
And where were you working, sir?
I was working at Evergreen Lawn Care.
Okay.
And that's located in Howell, Michigan. I was making a commute from Trenton to Howell every day.
Okay. And are you currently on probation anywhere, sir?
I don't know if my probation has ended. I was on probation for fleeing and looting, felony, and my probation officer texted me about 3 weeks ago saying that, he signed off on papers that it was all good to go, but I don't know for sure. The judge cleared off on that yet. And then I am on probation in Washington County for a misdemeanor. I get off that in like a month, so I'm on probation with them.
Okay, and what misdemeanor is that, sir?
That's for I'm trying to remember. It's for disorderly conduct. My bad.
Okay. All right, so the court is going to order the following bond. Based upon the fact that you don't have an address at this point, you're out on probation on a matter out of Washington County. The court is going to order a $5,000 10% bond. I will indicate, sir, that you may be tethered to treatment through the Wayne County Jail if you are requesting that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do.
You have to possess and consume the alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, and you're not to return to the Rite Aid.
Okay.
And you're to have a GPS tethered to the Wayne County Jail. Questions, sir?
Any questions?
I have a question with the tether drop to post bond if I want to go to rehab.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you Tuesday. Thank you. Have a good day.